Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your e-commerce store with Dropshipping as a beginner and in less than 1 hour, without coding, without paying for additional applications, without buying a theme, and without technical or design knowledge. Because everything we need is included in Dropshipping. My name is Martin, I'm the founder of Dropshipping, and I've been creating online stores for the last 10 years. And in this video, I will show you how to start selling online in less than 1 hour, thanks to a fully customized and operational online store ready to get your first sales today. After this video, you will know how to create a store like this one, or this one, or even this one. And we're going to start from the very beginning. We will choose a nice and modern design for our store from a library of more than 3,000 templates, and they are all free. And I will show you some that I like a lot. We will also have a drag and drop builder to customize our store the way we want. Next, I will show you how to add your products, how to add shipping methods, how to accept payments, and how to connect a domain name. So by the end of this video, you will be able to share your online store with the world and make your first sales. And if you need any help during this video, you will have a support team available to answer all of your questions at any time. So if you need anything, please write to us and we will be super happy to help. To learn more about Dropshipping and start your free trial, just click on the link in the description below. And on this channel, we made videos to help you in your e-commerce journey. We do tutorials like this video. We talk about design. We show you how to increase your sales online and how to use our very cool AI tools. So don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe to see our future videos. And now let's go. I'm on the Dropshipping website at lodr.tech/en. And first of all, let me show you how to contact our support team. It's here at the bottom right of your screen. You can just click on the little icon. And if you need anything, you can just write to us directly here. And to thank you for following this video, just send us the message bold and beautiful, send it, and we will send you a promo code. So after the free trial, you will get your first month of Dropshipping for €1 only. So now let's start. To sign up for the free trial and create your Dropshipping account, just click here at the top right on start. Then you can enter your site title. So for me, I will use bold and beautiful. Then just confirm your site title and click on continue to the next step. Then you can choose a username. So for me, I will use as well bold and beautiful. Then you can put your email address. For me, it will be contact@boldandbeautiful.com. Then choose your password, confirm your password, and create your account. Okay, perfect. Now welcome to Dropshipping. Then we have a little survey just to learn a little bit more about you and how you heard about Dropshipping. So my desired outcome is I want to sell online. How did you hear about Dropshipping? YouTube. The video is how to build your online store in less than an hour. Then why did you choose Dropshipping? You can put the reason why you like Dropshipping. So for me, for example, it will be because it's easy to use. Then I want to sell my own product. And this is my first online store. Okay, then just send. And now, okay, perfect. Welcome to Dropshipping. Then to access your store, you can just click on the name of your store here, bold and beautiful. Okay, then here you arrive on your store and you can either choose to use a starter pack or to build your store with AI. So the starter pack is basically stores that are already ready to use and that you can just use right now. And build with AI will actually create a custom store based on your information. So for this video, we will choose use a starter pack. And now you will have more than 50 starter packs that you can choose from. And they are all modern, very beautiful, and already optimized for every type of screen. So it will work perfectly on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Also, you can preview every pack by just clicking on preview here. So for example, let's see this one. Okay, pretty cool. I like this one. I think it's really, really nice, really cool. Okay, so we can close that. Then we can go see another one. Like for example, this one, Cosmetic Shop 5, preview. Okay, so another store that's really, really cool. I like the little animation like this. It's pretty nice. Okay, perfect. So we can close that as well. And so you can just keep having a look at all the starter packs that are available. And here they are all free. So compared to the other platforms that always charge you to have like a cool design, here all of those designs are free and you can choose the one that you want and that will fit the product that you want to sell. Also, all of those designs are completely customizable. We will have a drag and drop builder and I will show you that just after. So for me, for this video, I will choose this pack here, Cosmetic Shop 4, because it's pretty simple. It can fit many different products and still it is very nice. So I will just click on select. And okay, perfect, here we go. Now we have the design of our store. So let's go have a look. We can just click on visit site here at the top left. And here we go. The starter pack has been downloaded and our store looks like this already. which is really cool. Perfect. So now next we are going to add our product on our store. So first of all, I can close this tab here and we will go back to the dashboard here at the top left. Okay, then first we will create the product categories. So for that, I go to product and I click on categories. Okay, so then just add the name of your category. You can leave the slug empty and I will put a description as well. So this store is going to sell lipstick and perfumes. So I will have one category for lipstick and then I will create my other category for the perfumes. So name perfume and the description. The description is optional, you don't need to add one, but it's a best practice to add the description. So again, I will click on add a new category. So now that we have our categories, we can go and add our product. So I will go back to product and all products. By default, we have some sample products, so we can just delete them. You can select all the products with the little square here at the top and then click on bulk action and move to trash. Then apply. Okay, then we will add our own product. So for doing that, I'll just click on add new. Then first we're gonna add our product name. Perfect. So for me, it will be beautiful lipstick. Then below we have the product description. So this is where you add like a long description with all the information about your product. So for me, it will be this text. So if you don't have all the information about your product right now, like the description, the images and everything else, you can just put something temporary for now and later you can come back when you have the final information and just change it. Okay, then we can put the price. So for me, my lipstick is $20. Then we can also put a short description that will be displayed at the top of our product page. So it's like the first thing that people will see about our product. So that's actually very important. Here is mine. Here you want to put basically the main benefits of your product and why people should buy it. Then on the right, product categories, I will put my lipstick in the lipstick category. And then we can put our product image. So for doing that, just click on set product image. And then you can just upload the image of your product. So, okay, I just put my product image. And so here you want to put the main image of your product and then just click on set product image. And then if you want to add more images, you can also do it through the product gallery here. So I will just click on add product gallery images, then just click on upload files. And here you can upload additional pictures for your product. Okay, perfect. So now I have the additional images for my product and I will not select this one and this one for now. I will only use these pictures for my gallery. And then I just click on add to gallery. Okay, perfect. So now we have our product gallery. And the last thing that we should do for this product is to add pictures into this long description here. So it will be much nicer and it will be better to sell our product and make people want to buy our beautiful lipstick. So for doing this, just click on where you want to add your image and then click on add media. Then select the picture that you want to add or upload a new picture as we just did before. For me, I will select this one and then just click on insert into product. Okay, perfect. Now we have our image. Then I will align my image on the left and then click the little pencil icon here to edit and make sure that in size it's selected full size. So then your picture is in full quality. That's better. In case it's on medium, for example, then just change it to full size. Okay, then update. And then you can just resize your picture to be smaller. Okay, like this, for example. And now it's cool because we have our picture on the left and the text on the right. Then I will add another picture, like for example here. Add media, I will add this one, insert into product. Okay, this one I will align on the right. I'll just double check if it's full size. Yes, full size, perfect. And I will make it smaller, like this for example. Then you can just adjust the position of the text to make it nice. And okay, perfect. Now we're good with our beautiful lipstick. And once you are ready, you can just click on publish. Now we have our beautiful lipstick product on our store. So we can go see how our product looks like on our store. And for doing this, you can just click on the link here, just next to permalink. Okay, perfect. Our beautiful lipstick is on our store. We have the description, we have the short description, the picture, the gallery, everything is perfect. So we will modify this product page just after to fit our brand, our colors and things like this. I will show you that just after. But just before we modify our design, I will just add another product. So for doing that, let's go back to the dashboard, then product, all product, and then add new. Okay, so this time we will add a perfume. So the name of my perfume is Beautiful Perfume. Then I will just do the same. I will add the long description. Then this time I will have two variations of this product. I can sell my perfume in 50 millimeters or in 100 millimeters. So this is what we called a variable product. Like for example, you can also sell a t-shirt with different colors. It's the same t-shirt, but you have blue, red, black. Then in this case, it's also a variable product. So for doing that, you just change here in product data from simple product to variable product. Then you just go into attributes, and here you put the name of the attribute. So for me, it's going to be size. And then you can put the different values that you offer. So for example, for me, it will be 50 millimeters, and you separate this different value with the vertical bar like that. So for me, I have it directly on my keyboard. I have a match and it's like at the top right of my keyboard. But if you don't know how to do the vertical bar in your keyboard, then you can just go and do a tweet search, a vertical bar symbol, and then you can just copy it directly from here. Okay, so I'll just go back to my product and I will enter the two values that I want to offer, so 50 millimeters and 100 millimeters. Then I will click on Save Attributes and then just go to Variations and then just click on Generate Variations. Okay, our two variations have been added. Just click Close. And here we can see our two variations for our beautiful perfume. Perfect. Then just click on the variation. And then here, very important, you really want to put the regular price of your variations, because otherwise, if you don't do that, then your variation will just not show up and your customer won't be able to buy it. So for me, the 50 millimeter version will be, let's say, $55. Then if you click here on the image, you can upload a different image for this variation. So for example, that's very useful if you sell different colors of t-shirts. Like for example, if it's your red variation, you can just put a picture of your red t-shirt here. For me, it will be the same images, so I'm not going to upload a specific feature for this variation. But if you need to, then you can do it here. I will just go on my 100 millimeter variation and add the price. So let's say this one is $100. Okay, perfect. We can click on Save Changes. Now we have our two variations. Then we want to add the product short description. Here we go, perfect. Then the category, perfume. Then let's add the product image. I will upload a new picture. Okay, set product image. Then I will add picture into my gallery as well. I will upload new picture. Okay, now I have all of my pictures and I will remove that one because I will keep it for the description. I will put that one in the description as well. And I will also remove this one and that one for now. So I just add those 4 images because I will use these images another way and I will show you that just after. So okay, add to gallery. Perfect. Now I just want to add 2 images into my description. So again, I just click here at the beginning of the text, then add media. I will add this image, insert into product. Okay, I just check if it's full size. It is, and I will align left. And I will resize to make it smaller. Okay, like this, perfect. And I will add another one, let's say after this paragraph, add some line breaks. Okay, then add media. And I will add this picture here and I will upload a new file. Okay, and then insert into product. Okay, then I click on the image, pencil, full size, okay, and align right, update. Then resize to make it smaller and okay, perfect. I think that's very nice. So then we can just publish our product. Now we have our second product on our store. So I will just close this tab with the vertical bar. And also we can go have a look at our product. Now we have our product. We have the different images. Looks super nice. We have a short description, the price. We can select a size. And we have the long description with our images here. Okay, perfect. Then you can just add as many products as you want, the exact same way as I just showed you. And it's also possible to add other type of products, like virtual products or subscription products. Or you can also do dropshipping. And I've made over dedicated video that show you how to do that. You will find the link in the description below. So okay, perfect. Now it's time to do the design of our store. So for doing that, I will go on the home page of my store, here, home. And here at the top left, we can just click on Enable the Visual Builder. Okay, so welcome. You can just click on Start Building. And okay, let's go. So let's start first with the header of our store. So I will just click on Edit Header Templates. And first of all, let's replace the logo with our own logo. So if you don't have your own logo yet, that's okay. You can just leave this one for now. And then you can just come back later at any time to just replace this logo with your own logo when you have it. So for doing this, you just click on the logo and then you will have this little menu that appears and it will open the settings. Then you can just click on the image. It will open the media library, click on upload files, then just upload your logo and then click on upload an image. Okay, perfect. Now we have our logo. So I think that my logo is a little bit big, so we can change the size. For doing this, just click on design, then sizing, and then here you can change the width. So we can go down and maybe like this. Okay, perfect. Then just click on the green tick and perfect. Now we have our logo. Then if you want, you can put a little offer here at the top of your store. So for now, it's anniversary sale, 50% off on our entire store, which is very nice. So it's something that most e-commerce websites do. They make like an offer like this and they display it here. So something that's very popular is to do like a free shipping offer. If you don't want to do an offer like this, you can also delete this text. And for doing that, you just click here on the blue area, and then you just click on the trash icon here, and then it will just delete the text. But for me, I will keep it. So for going back, we can click on the three little dot here at the bottom of our screen, then the little clock icon that basically show our history. So everything we do will be displayed here, and I will just click on the previous item. So we have our text back. Okay, perfect, green tick. Then to modify this text, you just click on it, and same, you just click on the little wheel icon to open the settings. Okay, so then we can just replace the text. So for me, for my store, I will offer free shipping on orders above $50. I will remove anniversary sale, and then again we save. Then for this store, just to keep it simple, I will delete the search, but that's something also that you can do. I have also made another tutorial about it, and you will find the link in the description as well. So for now, I will just delete this module. I will also delete the little art icon here. This is useful if you want to add a wish list to your store. Again, just to get you started very quickly, we don't need to have a wish list when we start, but that's also something that's possible on Dropshipping, and that's free as well to add. And I've made a video to show you how to do that. You can also find the link in the description of this video and do it after once you finish setting up your store. So I will click on the little art icon and just delete. Okay, perfect. Then we have the little person icon here. So most of the time we use this icon to go to the My Account page where you as an administrator of the store or your customer can log in to your store. So this one we will keep it because that's important. So you can just click on it, open the settings, then you can change the icon if you want, but I will keep it like this. And then you can just scroll down to link, and here you put the link to your My Account page. So for finding this link, you can just go back to your dashboard here at the top left. So I will just right click and open in a new tab. Okay, then go to your dashboard, then go to My Store and Pages. Okay, then here you have the My Account page in this list, and you can see this page by just clicking on View here. So again, I will just right click and open in a new tab because we will need more links later. Okay, then I'll go to this page. Here is our My Account page. That's perfect. It's already built for us. Then you just go here and you copy the URL. Then we go back to our homepage, Visual Builder, and into icon link URL, you just remove what's here and paste the link to your My Account page. Then you can save, and perfect. Now our icon will go to the My Account page. Then we will keep the cart, that's perfect. Then we can delete the Go to Shop button, we don't need that. So I just click on the button and then click on the trash icon. Perfect, and now we're good with our header. We will change our menu here just after. For now, let's continue with the design of our store and let's modify our home page. So then you just click on Edit Body Templates, and now we can modify our entire page. So okay, let's go. First of all, let's add our text here. So first I will click on the big title, settings, and I will just replace cosmetic shop with my title, which is Welcome to Bold and Beautiful. Save. Then I will delete this little text here. I don't need it. I will also delete shop now because I don't need it as well. And I will replace the little text here on top. Just click on it, settings, and I will write beauty with attitude. Again, if you don't have all of your text and titles yet, that's completely okay. You can just put some temporary text for now, and same for the images that we will replace after. Just leave it like this or put some temporary content for now. And then later you can just come back and change your text again, change your image, and just add your own content. So okay, I will save. Then let's change the picture. For doing that, just click on it and then just click on the settings here of the blue section. It will open the section settings, just go to backgrounds. Then here you have background image, and then click on the image. Then upload files, upload your picture, click on upload an image, and here we go. We have our super beautiful image now on our website. Then save. Now we're good with this section. Perfect. Then in the next section, we can put links directly to our categories. So for me, I have only 2 categories. So first of all, I will delete 1 column because we need only 2. So for doing that, you click on the green row settings here. And then here you can see that you have 3 columns and you just delete 1. Now we have only 2 columns. But for you, if you have more categories than me, then you can keep your 3 columns if you want. Or if you have more, then also in the setting of the row, you can just use this duplicate icon here just next to the settings to just add more column if you need. So for example, now we have 4 columns. So for me, I will keep 2 because I have 2 categories. So okay, save. Then we'll change the text and the image. So for doing that, I just click on the module, then open the settings. So lip stitch, perfect. That's what we have as well. I will delete 145 items. I don't need that. And then into backgrounds, background image, click on the image. Okay, I upload my image, then click on upload an image. And here we go, we have our own image. Perfect, save. Then I will do the same with the second column here. I just click on it, open the settings, replace the title with perfumes. I delete the number of items, I don't need that. And then I go to backgrounds, background image. Then I click on the image, I upload my own image, click on upload an image, and done. Now we have our perfume category as well. Then the next thing is we need to go to link here in the settings. And we want that when people click on perfumes, they go to our product category perfumes. And so they can see the perfumes that they have on the store. And we want to do the same thing for lipstick. When they click on lipstick, it goes to the lipstick category. And so they can see the product that we have. Into module link URL, you want to put the link to your product category. So for doing that, we will go back to our dashboard here. And I will go to product and categories. Okay, we can close the My Account tab here. We don't need that anymore. And then here we have our 2 categories, lipstick and perfume. And to get the link, we will just right click on view and open link in a new tab. And we'll do the same thing for perfume. So then perfect. Now we can go on my lipstick category page. It's here. We can see our beautiful lipstick here. So that's perfect. Then I take the link, copy, go back to my home page. Then this was the perfume category. So I will just save it. Go back to my lipstick, then open the settings, scroll down to link and module link URL. I will just paste the link. Okay, perfect. Then I save. Then I go to my perfume category page. Okay, we have our beautiful perfume. Nice. I just get the link, then go back to my home page, click on perfumes, open the settings, scroll down to link and paste in module link URL. Okay, perfect. Then we can save. And now when people will click on it, it will go to the corresponding product page. So that's very nice and very easy for our customer to find our product. So, okay, perfect. Then we have the feature product. So we can leave it like this. We don't need to create a page to view all products because we have created the category pages instead. So I will just delete this text here, view all products. So I just click on it and then click on delete. Then I will use this section here to do like a little about us so people can learn about the brand and it creates more trust. So first, let's change the title. I click on it, then settings, and I will replace this text by embrace your beauty. Okay, save. Then the little subtitle here, same, click on it, settings, and I will change with where confidence meets color. Perfect. Then I'll change that text. Click on it, settings. I will select all this text, delete, and then paste my text. Okay, save. Then again, I will delete this button, click on it, trash icon, and I will change the picture here. So for doing that, we open the settings here of the green row. Then we go to the first column that represents the column on the left. Open the settings, then background image, click on the image, then upload your own image. And perfect. Now we have our own image here. Nice. We can just save. Okay, perfect for this section. It's very nice. Then we have a section with our brands. So for me, I don't need that. So I will just delete it. So I just click on the green row and then I click on the trash icon. Then these icons here are very important into e-commerce because it gives important information to our customers, like the free shipping or how they can contact our customer support. That's very important. And also it creates more trust. So we will keep them and we will customize the content. So let's start with the first one. I just click on it, open the settings, then free shipping. I will keep it like this. But for me, it's free shipping on orders above $50. Then the second one, I will put the return policy. And my return policy will be free returns within 15 days. Okay. Then we will put the contact information. So click on it, open the settings, and to contact us, it will be contact us at contact@boldandbeautiful.com. By the way, with Dart.h, you also have 5 professional email addresses like this that are free. And I will show you how to do that at the end of this video. So, okay, then just save. And then in the last one, open the settings. I will put secured payments. And we use SSL and other technologies to secure your payments. Save. Okay, super nice for this row that create trust and also give important information to our visitors. Then below that, we have a nice gallery. So here we can just replace all the images with our own images. So for doing that, it's very simple. Just click on the image, open the settings, click on image, and then just select the image that you want to put. So let's, for example, put this one. Then upload an image. Okay, perfect. Then save. And then you can just do the same thing for all the other images. So for example, let's do the second one together. Click on it, settings, image. Here I will upload a new image. Okay, perfect. Then click on upload an image. And here we go, perfect. Save. And then once again, you can do the same thing for all the other images. So I'll just do that quickly and I'll see you once that's done. Okay, perfect. I finished, I did all of my images into the placeholders. Personally, I love it. I think it is super cool to have this gallery of images like this that showcase our product. And it will also make our visitors of our store want to use our product. So at the end of the day, it will increase our sales. So I think this is pretty cool. Then last thing to do is just to edit our footer here at the bottom of our page. So I will click on edit footer templates. Then first let's change this text here. So I just click on it. When it's a little bit hard like this to open the settings because there is too many elements, you can also just double click on the module. Okay, perfect. Then it opens the setting directly. So I will just replace the text with the name of my brand, bold and beautiful, perfect. Then we can put the email address here. Okay, then we can delete these icons here, we don't need them. Then on the right here, we have the social medias. So click on it, open the settings, and here you can put links directly to your social media for your brand. So it's very simple. For example, for Instagram, just click on the settings here. Then you can select the social network if you want to change it. So Instagram. And then into link, you just put the link here to your Instagram account. So yeah, very simple. Then we can go back. And for me, for example, I will just leave Instagram and I will delete Facebook and X. Okay, perfect. Save. Then for this section here, first of all, I will delete the newsletter form. That's because I want to get you ready very fast with this video. And to do that, it requires some extra time. So it's not very long, but just to go to the point and get you ready to sell fast, you don't really need that to be able to sell online. But I've made another video that explains to you how to add a sign-up form like this to your store. And also I will put the link in the description below. So you can do that after once you finish your store. For now, to delete this, I will open the settings of the row settings. And I will just delete the column number 4. Okay, save. Then in the first column here, I will put my product categories. So I will just click on the first text, settings, change the text to product categories. Okay. Then I will just delete this module here and I will add a new module that will be a text. So I just click on the module product categories and then I click on plus. And here you can add whatever you want on your pages. There is more than 50 modules that are ready. And that helps you basically build your page without writing a single line of code. So for us now, we want to add a text. So I just type text and select the text module. Then we can remove the text that's here by default. And I will just add the link to my product categories. So I will create a little bullet list, that's nice. And we will put lipsticks and perfumes. Then I want that when people click on lipstick, it goes to my lipstick product category. So for doing that, I'll just go back to my lipstick product category page, get the link again, copy, go back to my home page, and then I will select the text lipstick and click on the little icon here, insert edit link. I click on it, and into URL, I just paste the link to my lipstick product category page. Then I just click on OK, and here we go. Now when people click, they will go to the lipstick product category page. And I will do the same for perfume. So I just go to the page with the perfumes, copy the link, go back to my home page, select perfume, click on the icon, paste the link, OK, done. Then we just want to change the color because here you see it appears in blue. That's the default color. But to change it, you can just click on the little pencil icon here and it will open the design tab. You just click on text and then the second tab here that represents the links basically. Then here you have many options to customize your text. But for us for now, all we need is just to change the link text color. So I will just choose black for now. And then save. Okay, nice. Then in the second column, I will keep the title to useful link. I will delete this module here. I will add a new text module. Okay, we do the exact same thing as we did before. And here instead, I will add the links to the little pages. That's very important to have like a few little pages on your store, like the term and condition, the refund policy, the privacy policy, and the return policy as well. And so we will add them here. So with Dart.h, you have these pages already built in your store. You have templates that you can just customize, and those pages are free. You can use them like right now. And to access them, go back to your dashboard, then go to My Store and Pages. And you can find these pages here as a draft for now. So then just click on the page. And so here we have our refund and returns policy. And so that's a template that you can use straight away. You just need to modify a few information, like what you want to do for refund, for example. So you see, for example, the first sentence, our refund and return policy lasts XX days. You just replace the XX by your number of days. And then you can just read through it and replace with your own information or delete things that you don't want to do. Then just keep in mind that that's just a template that you can start with, no problem. But if you want something that would be more tailored to you and to your needs, then you can ask a lawyer to actually write that for you. So, okay, once you have done that, you can just click on Publish. And once your page is published, you can just get the link to your page here. You just click on Copy. Perfect. I'll go back to the home page. I'll just delete this text, create another bullet list. And so this is our refund and returns policy. I just select the text, click on the insert link icon, URL, paste, and OK. Then we can go back to our page. I will go back to the dashboard by clicking on the Dart.h icon here. Then we'll do the same with our terms and condition and privacy policy. I just click on it. And again, you can just go through it and delete things or replace with your own information. And once this is done, just hit publish. Publish. Super. I will copy the title, go back to the home page, add a line break, paste the text, go back, copy the link, go to the home page, select the text, click the insert link icon, paste the URL, and OK. Then same, we'll just change the color of our text. So I just click the pencil icon, text, second tab for the links, scroll down a little bit, and link text color black. Perfect. Save, and now we have our useful links. Amazing. So we are almost done with the design of our store. Then we can just add again our contact information. It's better to have too much than not enough. So then our customer can see that they can contact us easily. It's once again very good for trust. So I will just delete the phone and the WhatsApp because I want people to contact me only by email, for example. And I will just click on the email settings. And again, I put the email address here. Here we go. Just save. So now we are pretty much done. For the row here, with the icon again, we have already created our row here. So I will just click on it, then right-click on the green row here and copy row. Then go back down, click on the row with your icon, right-click on it, and then click on paste row. Okay, so now we have the exact same row as before, which is much better. And I will just click on this row here with the old icons, and then the trash icon to delete them. Perfect. So now we have the exact same one. Super nice. And then we have just the little copyright here at the bottom to change. So again, click on it, open the settings, and copyright, bold, and beautiful is a registered trademark, all right reserved. And we can delete that. So I will just replace like this. And you can do the same if your trademark is also registered. So that's good. Okay, save. And now we're good. Now we have finished with our design. Our page looks beautiful. It's super nice. And we can just save. So click on the three little dot here and then click on save. Then one last thing that we can do is that we can preview how it will look like on the different screens. To do that, you can see here you have a tablet icon and a phone icon. So you can just click on them. So tablets. And that's how our store looks like on tablets. So perfect, super nice. Everything is good. It's no problem. Amazing. And then on phone, which is super important because a lot of people nowadays shop on their mobile. Here we can see that our logo here is a little bit big. So I will change that. Just click on Edit Header Template, then click on the icon, Settings, Design, Sizing. And here you can change the width, but only for mobile. For doing this, just click on the mobile icon here. And then here on phone, you can just put a different value. So for example, 50%. Okay, perfect. And save. And now if we go back to desktop, it is still the same as before. So perfect. Then okay, then on mobile, what about the rest? Everything looks great. It's beautiful. And it will make people want to buy our product. So we can go back to desktop, save. And now we finish with the design of our homepage. Congratulations, we can exit the visual builder. And perfect, now that's how our homepage looks like. It's very nice, and we have done that without writing a single line of code. So congratulations. Then the next step to completely finish our design is just to change our product page. So first of all, we can just close these tabs here at the top, and we can just go back to the dashboard. Then to modify your product page, go to My Store and Theme Builder, and here you have your product page. So just click on the little pencil icon here in the gray box to edit. Okay, so here basically it's a template that is assigned to all of our products. So we just need to modify things here once and it will be applied to all of our products. Whether you have 1, 5, 10, 1,000 products, it doesn't matter. We will all use the design of this page here. So I don't want to modify too much. I just want to modify a few things. First of all, the price will change the color. The default is blue, but we can click on it, open the settings, use the little pencil icon, and in price text, scroll down, change the price text color. Let's put black for now. Okay, then we can delete the SKU. We don't really need that. Then we can also delete the social media. We don't need that as well because when people are on the product page, we want them to add to cart and then to buy. We don't really want them to leave the page and then maybe they don't come back because our social media are so good. So we don't want that. So I will just delete the social media. Then here we have some trust icon again. So we should put the content here as well. So let's start with the security policy. I click on it, settings, okay, security policy, okay. Then delivery policy, settings. So for us, it's free shipping on order above $50. So I'll put like this, free shipping on order above $50, perfect, save. And then the return policy, we have free returns within 15 days. Okay, perfect. Then if you want to change the color of the icon, for me, it fits pretty well in my brand, so I will keep it like this. But for you, if you want to change it, just put your mouse on the little icon and then use the pencil icon that's just next to it. And then here you can change the icon color. So black, red, and so on. For me, I'll just go back and pinch like this. It's great. And I will just save. Okay, perfect. Then we have the description of our product. I will keep it like this. And I will just remove the additional information here because we don't need that for now. So I'll just click on it, go up, open the setting of the module, and then I'll just delete additional information here. Then for the reviews, I will keep it like this for now. Once again, because I want to get you started very quick. But I really encourage you to use photo reviews on your store because this is really, really much better. People trust these kind of reviews more. So we have an application on DartaTech for doing that. And unlike the other platform, on DartaTech, all the applications are free. So you can do photo reviews for free on DartaTech. And you can do that after, once you finish your store, no hurry. You can definitely launch your store and start selling without that. But I've made another tutorial on that. And also you will find the link in the description of this one. So perfect, we can save. And perfect, we are done with our product page. So I will just save. Okay, perfect. Then we can quit. Then let's go and have a look at our product page now. Let's go back to product, all products. And for example, let's open our beautiful perfume. I will click on view. And okay, perfect. Now we have all the little changes that we have done. Okay. Super nice. So now we are completely done with the design of our store. There is so much more things that you can do on DartaTech. Our visual builder is so powerful. Like for example, you can do animations and you can add way more information on your pages. Also, you can customize way more your store. In total, we have more than 3,000 templates that you can use either for your product page, for your product category, cart and checkout page that you can really customize everything. But once again, to get you ready fast, I'm not going to show it to you right now, but I've made other videos that show you all of these things. So if it's something that you want to do, again, you will find all the links in the description of this video and also on this YouTube channel. And we always make new videos to show you some cool things that you can do on your online store. So feel free to subscribe to not miss our videos. Now we're basically almost done. We only need to do just a few little things and we will be ready to sell online. The first thing we will do is here, I want to change the menu. I want to add the product categories directly here. So for doing this, we'll go back to the dashboard. Then we go to My Store and Menu. Okay, then we will need the link to our product category page. So once again, I'll just go to Product Categories, right click, open in a new tab. Then I will do the same thing as we did earlier. Lipstick, View, right click, open in a new tab, and Perfume, View, open in a new tab. Then I will go to my lipstick category page, copy the link, go back to my menu. Then we can remove the logouts and my accounts because we've put that into the icon. Then you just click on custom links here. URL, just paste the link, just add the name of your category. So for me, lipstick. add to menu. Then let's do the same for our other category. So perfume for me, get the link, go back to the menu, paste the link, and add the name, perfume, add to menu. Now we can save. Okay, perfect. Now we can go back to our website, we can refresh the page, and now we can see that our menu changed. We now have home and our category. And you can do the same thing to add all of your categories the exact same way. Okay, super. So we can close that, close this, and now final setup. First of all, let's add the shipping option on our store. So for doing that, go to settings and then go to shipping. Okay, so then just click on add shipping zone. Basically, a zone is an area where you are going to ship your product. So just click on add shipping zone. Then you can add a name. So for example, let's do United States. Then in regions, you can just add what are the regions included into this shipping zone. So for me, for example, the entire United States. And we will keep it like this. And then you just add the shipping methods that you want to offer for the United States. Just click on add shipping method. Then you have a few options, flat rates, free shipping, or local pickup. Flat rate is when you want to charge a fee for shipping. Free shipping is for free shipping, and local pickup means people will come and pick up the items somewhere in your store, for example, if you have one. So let's do, for example, flat rates, add shipping method, and then you click on edit. And let's say that we charge $5 for shipping. Okay, save changes. And then we said on the store that we offer free shipping for orders above $50. So for doing that, click again on add shipping method, choose free shipping, add shipping method, then edit. Free shipping requires a minimum order amount and minimum order of $50. And then save changes. Okay, perfect. So now our shipping to the United States is configured. So we can go back to the shipping zones, and then you can just add as many shipping zones as you want. If you want to have different price for sending your product, like for example, you can add another shipping zone for Mexico or for Europe or for Asia. It really depends on you and what you want to do. And for every country that is not covered by your other zone, it's optional, but you can also set up a shipping fee. If you add nothing into location not covered by your other zones, then people outside of your zone won't be able to buy on your store. So for example, for me here, everybody who's outside of the United States will not be able to buy on my store. And if we still want people outside of the US to buy on my store, then we can just add a shipping option into this section, location not covered by your other zone. So just click on it, and I will add a shipping method, flat rate as well. And if they are not in the US, then I will click on edit, and it will cost them, let's say, $15. Save changes. And I will also add the free shipping method because that's what we said on the store. Edit. This free shipping requires a minimum order amount of $50. Save changes. I just do that as an example, but obviously you put your own information here. And so if you do something like me with a flat rate option and a free shipping option, then I would recommend you that you go to appearance here, and then scroll down and enable the option hide over shipping options when free shipping is available. Just enable that, scroll down, and then save changes. Okay, perfect. So this way, when your customer has free shipping, the flat rate shipping method is not going to be available, so it will be more clear for your customer that they actually have free shipping. Now we're done with the shipping options. So now the last thing to do is just to connect the payment gateway so we can accept payment on our store. So for doing that, just go to applications here and then go to app market. Here in the app market, you will find all the applications that are available on Dart.tech. In total, right now, when I made this video, there is more than 100 applications that are available, and they are all free. In total, it would represent a bit more than $10,000 per year if you had to buy all of this app. But because you use Dart.tech, it's all free and you can use as many as you want. Most of this application will allow you to improve your store and increase your sales. So once you finish this video and your store is ready, I really recommend you to come back here, have a look at this different application and what you can do. Then you can also have a look at the different videos on this channel because we do tutorials that explain to you how to use these applications and how you can optimize your store and increase your sales. So for now, what we need to finish our store is just to add payment gateways. So for doing that, just click here on payment. Here you will find a list of all the payment gateways that are available right now on Dart.tech. So you can choose the one that you want to use. And if you don't know which one you need, then the most popular are Stripe and PayPal. So if you don't know which one to use, you should definitely use these two options. And in case you want to use something specific that we don't have yet on .tech, then just contact us on the support, because we had new applications all the time. And so we can very probably also add your applications. And once again, we do it totally for free. Then to be able to use this payment gateway, you will need to have an account with them. And if you don't have one already, then I've made 2 videos to show you how to do that, one for PayPal and one for Stripe. And you can just click on documentation here, and you will find my video that show you exactly how to create an account with Stripe and then how to connect it to your store. And then once you have your account with this payment gateway, you can just connect them to your store by just clicking on activate. So I will show you with Stripe right now, but it will be the same process for any other app, and you always have the documentation to help you if you want to use something else. So let's go. I'll just click on activate. And then once the app is activated, just click on access. Okay, then here you have a list of all the payment methods available on your store, and you will find in the list Stripe. Just click on finish setup. Then you can click on create or connect an account. Just put your email address, then your password for Stripe, then just select your account, and then just click connect. And then okay, perfect, the connection is done. Then you can just remove Stripe here from name and description, because our customers just don't know what is Stripe. All they want to do is pay with their credit card, so we don't need to confuse them. If you want to do some testing to see how the whole flow works, you can enable test mode. So that's pretty cool, because then you can just buy things on your store just to see like how it will work, and Stripe will not take the money from your account. So that's cool. And then the last thing that we need to do is just to add the webhook here. For doing that, just copy the endpoint that we have here. Copy. Click on Stripe account settings. I'll open a new tab, then go to Stripe. Then you just click on add endpoint. Here in endpoint URL, you just paste the link. Then just click on select events. Select all events, add events, scroll down all the way and click on add endpoint. Okay, then you need to take the sign in secret here. So just click on reveal, copy that. Go back to your store, click on edit account keys, and here in a webhook secret, just paste your secret key. Then save live keys, and now we have webhooks enabled. Perfect. Then we are all done. We can just save changes, and now perfect, people can pay on our store using their card. So you can do the exact same thing to connect PayPal, because that's something that's very popular. So maybe you want to do that as well. And so let's just have a quick look on our website just to see how that looks. So we can close Stripe, and I will click on visit site. Okay, we have our website. We can go to our beautiful lipstick. We can add to carts. Perfect, then view carts. Okay, beautiful lipstick. Shipping of $15 because I am in Thailand and I'm not in the US. And so then proceed to checkout. And here we go, we can put our billing information and we can pay via card. Our website works right now, people can order, so that's really cool. Now the very last thing to do is just to change the URL of our website and add our own domain name. So right now our website is on boldandbeautiful.lodr.tech, but I would like to add our own domain. So for doing this, first of all, you will need to buy a domain. So for doing that, you can use companies like Namecheap.com, for example, or you can also use GoDaddy. And basically, you can just like type the domain that you would like to use, then search, and then you just buy it from there. Then to connect your domain to your store, it's very simple. So for doing that, just go back to the .tech website on lodr.tech/en and go here into My Account. Then here scroll down a little bit and you will see a section here with a button, click here to connect a domain name. It will open this page with the instruction on what to do on your domain name to connect it to your store. So you just need to change the DNS of your domain for doing that. So it really depends on where you bought your domain. So I will show you how I do it, but in case it's different for you, then you can just contact the customer support of GoDaddy, for example, or Namecheap, and just send them this page and just tell them that you want to do that, and they will definitely guide you on how to do this on their platform. For me, the way I do it is I buy my domains with Cloudflare, but don't do that. That's a solution a little bit for geeks. So that's okay for me, but it will be better to buy it with GoDaddy or with Namecheap. But so the way it works on Cloudflare is I just log into my account. Here I am in the DNS settings of my domain. And first of all, I need to make sure that I don't have any records type A or AAA. Okay, so it's written here. Make sure that you don't have over a record or AAAA, in your DNS. In case you do, just delete them. So for me, for example, I have absolutely no record, so it's pretty simple. And so all I have to do is just click on add a record, then type A, then I just go back here. The first one we want to add is type A, hostname @ and this is the value. Okay, so I copy the value, go back to Cloudflare, type A, name @ and address this. You see, it's not exactly the same depending on where you bought your domain name, but it should be pretty similar to me. And again, if you don't know how to do that, just contact the support, send them the page, and they can do it for you or help you to do that. So then I will just save, and then I go back to the page. We need to add the second one, type cname, host www, and value sites.mydr.th. So I'll just copy that, go back to my DNS, add a record, type cname, www, target this. Okay, save. So once you have these two records, then you can go back to this page and just scroll down and then just add your domain here. So for me, it is boldandbeautiful.com. And then you select your store, so bold and beautiful, and then you just click on connect. Okay, perfect. Then wait a little bit and you should see this transformation connecting your domain name done. Good job. So now we can go back to our site with our domain name. So I will just close this tab that we don't need anymore, and I will open a new tab, type boldandbeautiful.com, enter, and here we go. Now we have our online store fully functional and our domain name is connected. Congratulations. The only thing that's a little different right now is that to access your store, to access the dashboard and the visual builder and all the settings, you need to connect on your store directly through My Account page. So you just need to click here on the little My Account icon, and then you can just log in here with your email address and your password. And now basically we are all done. You can just share your website with the world and people can buy on your website. And you've done everything without writing a single line of code. You've done everything by yourself, so a big congratulations to you. Now to keep your store, just make sure to upgrade your .tech account. So for doing that, just go back to the .tech website, lodr.tech/en, and then My Account, and then just click here on the button to upgrade. And then here you can just select the plan that suits your needs. And once again, in .tech, in the plan, everything is included, all the theme, all the applications. You have 0% commission on your sales. You have access to the support directly here at the bottom right of your screen, and you can cancel at any time. And also don't forget to send us bold and beautiful on the chat, because to thank you for watching this video, we will send you the promo code. So after the free trial, your first month of .tech will be only €1. And then once you've done that, I have a little bonus for you. Just go back to your account, then into tutorials, click here to access the tutorials, and then click on domain name and professional email. And then click on get free professional emails. And then here, just follow these little tutorials and you will be able to get 5 professional email addresses using your domain name for free. So for example, that's how we did contact@boldandbeautiful.com. You can do contact, hello, Martin, whatever you want, totally for free, but just fill in this form here. So now that's it. You really have everything you need to sell online. And now to go further, if you want, you can keep improving your store using the .tech app market. You will find applications that will help you boost your sales online. And for every app, you will find the documentation with the tutorial. The one that you should start with are site cards, which will add a site card on your store, and that's really good for the user experience. Then photo reviews, which allow your customer to add photo to their reviews, so the reviews are more convincing for your future customers. Then you can use Yoast SEO to improve the SEO of your store, or also Affiliate WP to create an affiliate program for influencers who are going to promote your product, for example. There is a lot of things you can do now or later to increase your sales online, and all of these applications are free on .tech. So if you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to see our next videos, because on this channel, we show you how to build your professional online store. We do tutorials like this one, and we also talk about design, how to increase your sales online, and how to use our very cool AI tools. So again, congratulations. Now you have your online store, share it with the world, and go get some sales. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.